Hello, my name is Thomas Teilade, and I would like to make a small presentation of myself. My main specialty is iOS programming and Android programming. My background is C# programming, which I've done nearly since C# was released. For iOS programming, I'm using Xcode, and I'm programming in Swift 2. For Android programming, I'm using Android Studio, and in Android Studio it's Java syntax. Of course, I also make websites, and I typically use PHP, jQuery and Bootstrap and JavaScript. All these apps very often have to send data to the MySQL server or any other SQL server. And for this I do something that I call mini PHP scripts, which are very short scripts. So an app, for example, which is having a login, sign up, with email, and you have to save that information, and maybe a calendar and so on. You will see probably 10-12 scripts handling this. And the reason why I do that is first of all, it goes much faster, and secondly, you don't have to stop the whole process to change one process. That means the whole app will not fail because one script has an error or something like that. Besides that, I live in Warsaw, so I mainly do remote work, and I've done that for 7 years now without any problems. It has worked perfectly. My markets has been UK, Sweden, Norway and Denmark. And it's mainly Denmark, as I'm Danish. But there's another advantage by sitting in Warsaw, and that is if you have a bigger project that you want to be made here, I can always find resources, as I'm working together with a company called Apit, which have leasing of programmers. And I've used them for 4 years now and worked together with Apit for 4 years now without any issues. You will talk to me directly, and I will then pass the tasks and control the project with 1, 2, 3 or 4 programmers, or how many which are needed. The biggest project we made was with 10 programmers. It was of course very complicated, but we did it. I made more than 10 apps and countless websites. So I hope you find this interesting. It was a very short presentation. So thank you very much.